Are you looking for that luxury lifestyle in Scottsdale, Arizona? Then you need to come check out my new listing in McCormick Ranch. This home has been completely remodeled. It is over 4,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, and 5 bathrooms. Come on in and check it out.
Hardwood floors throughout the home, vaulted ceilings that add an airy ambiance, creating an inviting atmosphere. The gourmet entertainer's kitchen includes an oversized waterfall edge island, wet bar, wine fridge, and coffee bar, complete with a gas wolf cooktop and double ovens. The open floor plan seamlessly connects the kitchen to the living room and the dining areas. The master suite, complete with a bright and sizable bathroom, featuring an oversized shower and a separate soaking tub. The second bedrooms are also spacious and each boast an ensuite bathroom. Outside, you'll discover a beautiful landscape yard with synthetic grass for low-maintenance ambiance. The PebbleTech pool invites you to take a refreshing dip, while the built-in barbecue area is perfect for dining.
So if you're looking for a home in the highly desirable McCormick Ranch, Scottsdale, Arizona, I'm your girl. Not only have I been selling real estate here for 20 years, I live here. I ride my bike on the Greenbelt. I go to all the coffee shops. I go to the restaurants. I love this area. So when you're ready to either buy or sell, you call Lauren Rosin.